It is indeed a matter of great honor and a proud privilege for me to speak on this important occasion of concluding ceremony of 2 days workshop on leveraging digital tools for enhancing career opportunities conducted by Shri Yogesh Udgire, Director, Farooque Enterprise Private Limited. It gives me immense pleasure to speak on this important occasion. At the very outset, I wish to extend my deepest regard, profound gratitude and a deep sense of appreciation to Mr. Yogesh Udgire sir for conducting a 2 days workshop on career opportunities. The workshop was the only of its kind workshop wherein the students were trained about the intricacies and nuances about digital marketing. Mr. Yogesh Udgire sir has in fact taken all the important efforts in a very systematic way and diligent, in a very intelligent way with regards to training students about digital marketing, a role of digital marketing in today's business environment. I must congratulate to Mr. Yogesh Udgire sir, who is in fact an alumnus of Department of Management Science. See, management, when you talk about education, education has no meaning unless it makes a person to bake his bread, and it holds true when you talk about management education. Department of Management Science has a strong commitment when it comes to inculcating entrepreneurial employability skills among students. Keeping in view the advancements that are taking place in the field of information technology and computers, digital marketing, it would not be wrong to say that businesses in coming time are going to be digital in their activity. In fact, it has become the need of the time. It has become a reality wherein you could see that most of the businesses, most of the business organizations have their online presence. So, if you want to build your career in today's scenario, it is all the more significant that one must have digital skills. So, in 2 days workshop, Mr. Yogesh Udgire sir has really trained students about the different aspects and different digital tools which are being used, which can be harnessed for enhancing the business prospects. So, once again, I would like to extend my best wishes, my best regards to Mr. Yogesh Udgire sir for conducting the workshop and sparing his valuable time.